An issue that made YouTube TV experience worse for some Roku users, thanks to a Google update, is doing more than disrupting background playback. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Some users reported that the live guide in YouTube TV was broken. The issue began in late May and has since shortened live guide list. Google's official community forums say YouTube TV has intentionally disabled live guide background playback and shortened the future program list to just 24 hours into the future. This information comes from a trusted product expert, and Google hasn't officially dismissed this information. This change was made recently for older and less powerful devices and smart TVs. For these TVs and devices, background play is no longer supported, and the amount you can scroll into the future is also impacted. This is done in order to prevent crashing and create a smooth experience for those devices, and it looks like Google's YouTube TV update has kneecapped a number of Roku devices in particular. Most of the posts that mention these issues mention their problem with Roku TV, indicating that this update has affected plenty of YouTube users on older Roku units. Now, experts are recommending users to upgrade to newer hardware to enjoy the full YouTube TV experience. And if they can't do this, then those Roku users will have to watch without background playback and a shortened program list. The hardware requirements don't seem to be specific. Google's latest information notes devices with less than 512 MB of memory may have a slightly different experience, and some features may not be available. It's also unclear how many other devices are affected by this and which ones will see the same fate in the future. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.